This is a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, OnStar, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Gordy Boucher Ford of Menominee Falls is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at North 88 West, 14300 Main Street in Menominee Falls.